We'll just see what comes our way. I mean, there hasn't been a whole heck of a lot. You just have to be patient. That's the way that, these markets are. Be patient, wait, and be disciplined, which we've done a pretty darn good job of. Of course, we love it when we stuff's just flying all over the place. This is not that type of market right now. There's our bell.
All right, good morning, ladies.
Boom, there we go, market.
Welcome all the universe.
All right, slightly softer than where we were like 10 minutes ago. I mean, slightly, like a tick or so. There's not a whole heck of a lot going on.